Welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
I'm Jennifer, and I don't know about you, but when I was a kid, I used to love to bake and make sweets.
Yeah, me too.
Today we're making Mama Marge's homemade chocolate meringue pie, so let's get started.
We have everything laid out here, and we are ready to make this yummy treat. So we're going to start with this 1 cup of granulated white sugar. This is Mama's favorite bowl to make pies in.
Everyone has their favorite.
And 4 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder. 4 tablespoons of self-rising flour. And just a 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
We'll add that in.
So we're going to whisk all the dry ingredients together. Once that is mixed, we will slowly start adding the 2 cups of milk.
And this is whole milk, right?
Yes, we will start with about 1/2 cup.
Okay.
To start with. So we're going to whisk it a little bit more.
Get it creamy.
Get it all creamy.
Then we use 2 eggs.
Well, we separated the 2 eggs, so now we are adding in 2 egg yolks. And so we're going to save the whites for later.
Oh yeah, for the meringue.
So we're going to whisk a little more.
Okay.
Add some more milk.
That's getting that chocolatey, nice, creamy consistency.
Not all at once, but gradually.
Keep whisking that in.
Then the rest of it.
Pour all that milk in there. Let's get this going.
Get it all in there.
I am craving chocolate.
Then a 1/2 stick of melted butter.
Gotta have some butter.
You know we like our butter.
That vanilla there is for the meringue, and we're going to use that in a little bit.
Once we get that combined, we're just going to place it in the microwave for about 5 to 6 minutes.
And that's going to help thicken it up.
Make sure you stir it every couple of minutes.
So once that chocolate filling is nice and thick,
We have a pre-made pie crust.
we put it in the oven just to brown it a little, but you can make your own pie crust if you want to. So now that that filling is nice and thick and creamy,
We will add it to the pie crust. It's so good and warm. I know there's some on the side there, but we can't get that off of there right now.
oh, we'll get to it, don't worry.
And while it's cooling, we will make the meringue topping. We place the 2 egg whites in the bowl that we had set aside earlier.
And you'll want to beat this on high until it forms soft peaks.
Then reduce the speed to low and add a 1/4 cup of sugar.
And by the way, this recipe's in our second cookbook too, if you want to check that out.
Yep, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar.
Put that in there.
And here's the vanilla that I saved for later. 1 teaspoon.
Gotta have some vanilla extract.
You may need to add a little bit more sugar.
Yeah, just to get it to thicken up a little bit more. Because you really want that to create some nice stiff peaks. Continue beating until it gets to that point where if you lift it out, it kind of peaks up, and then you're ready to go.
Then gently spoon the meringue on top of the pie. Just smooth it out to the edges.
Swirl it.
Pile it all on there.
Mm-hmm.
Get it all out of the bowl as much as you can.
Swirl it around.
And put some peaks into the top of it
Yeah,
to make it look so pretty.
beautiful.
Then we preheated the oven to 400 degrees. We will bake it for about 3 to 4 minutes.
Just until the meringue peaks start to brown a little bit, but don't let it burn.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Mama Marge's chocolate meringue pie.
Now you'll want to put this in the refrigerator for 2 to 4 hours to let it chill before slicing.
Don't that look good?
It does. It smells absolutely delicious.
Let's slice some of this up.
Can't wait to try this.
You are really going to love this. I know you are. You got to make this. You got to try it.
Yes, please do.
And you got to let us know what you think about it.
Definitely, let us know.
Especially if you like chocolate. This is so good.
Yeah, who doesn't like chocolate?
She's made these over the years so many times. Every time we go anywhere. You can also add some chocolate shavings on top.
Ooh, that'd be good. Definitely.
And as Steve would say,
is this the best chocolate meringue pie you've ever tried? If it ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye!
Well, that's She and Jen, them 2 girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.